a diet plan to help you achieve glowing skin. Every person, particularly women, dreams of clear, smooth, and healthy skin. Many women try everything right, from home remedies to dermatologists' treatments to get their dream skin, but with no luck. Aside from lifestyle choices and genetics, a huge number of factors, like hormones, pollution, scorching sun, etc., negatively impact your skin and prevent you from achieving the glowing skin you want. As a result, even expensive skincare and makeup products do nothing more than burning a hole in your pocket. All these chemical-ridden products do not treat the root cause of your skin problems. Therefore, they are nothing but a waste of time and money when it comes to treating and nourishing your skin from the inside. When it comes to achieving glowing skin, your diet plays a huge part in helping you achieve healthy skin. Your food habits affect your health, and your skin is likewise affected, possibly the most affected by what you eat. How our skin looks on the outside is to a great extent owing to what is happening to our body on the inside. A healthy bowel movement, gut, and liver are very important to have clear, glowing skin, with many other health benefits. Having a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other healthy nutrients can help you get glowing and healthy skin. A vitamin and mineral-rich diet contains potent antioxidants, which aid guard the skin against cellular damage, which is a result of free radicals. Eating a lot of junk food, drinking less water, skipping meals are some bad habits that can harm the health of your skin. The right diet does not only help you to achieve glowing skin but also helps in treating acne, fighting premature aging, reducing pigmentation, and various other skin problems. Just by adding certain healthy foods to your diet, you can enhance the texture of your skin to a great extent. Further in this video is a list of food items you should definitely add to your meal to get glowing skin. Number 1. Green tea. Drink soothing green tea once or twice a day to make sure there is a steady inflow of antioxidants. Green tea is a natural source of antioxidants, which help in getting rid of the harmful free radicals from the body, thus giving your skin a healthy glow and protecting it from premature aging. Green tea can easily be added to your diet, and you can have it 2 hours after your lunch. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados are amazing for hydrating skin, reducing signs of aging, reducing inflammation, and making your skin glow. The fruit is rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fats, and this is a perfect superfood. Avocado's effective source of fats also helps to absorb a lot of the fat-soluble vitamins, which help in protecting the skin from sun damage. Because of all these benefits of avocado for the skin, it should be added to your diet through salads, sandwiches, and dipping sauce. Number 3. Green vegetables. Green vegetables must be the most important part of your diet if you are looking to achieve fresh, glowing skin. As they are rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins and nutrients, they can improve your skin in many ways. The best thing about green leafy vegetables is that it is easy to include them in your diet, and you can have them in the form of soups, salads, sandwiches, and a cooked form. But cooking them at very high temperatures will destroy their antioxidant content. So it's better to eat them raw or steam them lightly. Green vegetables like spinach, radish leaves, palsy, coriander, etc., can easily become a part of your diet and help you get rid of skin blemishes, wrinkles, and pigmentation. Having a balanced diet full of fruits and vegetables can boost the health of your skin in many ways. Getting value yet? Make sure to add to my followers and hit that subscribe button for all of our breathtaking content. Also, comment, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment. Number 4. Turmeric. You might be aware that when used in face packs, turmeric can have various benefits for your skin. However, when taken orally, turmeric has much more benefits for our overall health than just the usual skin benefits. It is an antibacterial, which can fight bacterial infection both inside and outside your body. Turmeric is an ingredient that can be added to all your soups and vegetables, not only to improve your skin texture but also to add flavor to your food. Other than helping you attain glowing skin, turmeric is also believed to lighten skin and help in reducing the appearance of scars. Number 5. Fruits. Fruits are the best when it comes to achieving that perfect skin. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural sugar, which is beneficial not only for your skin but for overall health. Right from citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, to basic apple and papayas, fruits can help you to achieve that healthy glow and tinted cheeks. You can easily make them a part of your diet. Why having them as a snack when you feel hungry between meals? Any fruit, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, will help you to achieve glowing skin, and almost all fruits fall in this category. All fruits have different benefits for your skin. Smoothies and fruit salads are the best ways to include a variety of fruits in your diet. Fruits like watermelon and cucumber, which have high water content, have their own uses for the skin as they help to hydrate your skin. Number 6. Plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water will keep your system hydrated internally, which will reflect on your skin, thus making it glow. Drinking 8 to 9 glasses of water every day can not only hydrate your skin and flush out the harmful toxins from your system but also improve skin thickness. With age, the water retention capacity of your skin reduces, which makes it more important to have adequate water. Other than giving your skin a beautiful glow, water also reduces blemishes and diminishes premature aging of the skin. To make sure that you have an adequate amount of water daily, you should keep a bottle of water with you and sip on it at regular intervals. Other than including the above-mentioned foods in your diet, there are some foods like junk food, too spicy and oily food that you should avoid. Although it is not recommended that you completely abandon less healthy food from your diet, you should try to make a healthy balance and watch what you eat. Do you want a complete diet plan to help you acquire the skin of your dreams? Then watch the video linked in the description. Journey to get the smooth, healthy, and glowing skin you have been yearning for. What methods are you using to achieve clear, healthy, glowing, and smooth skin? Share your tips in the comments section. For more health and beauty tips, hit the notifications bell to get notified when we release another video.